Start your computations.
Hey guys, how are you? How is quarantining going? It's kind of starting to bug me out. I'm hitting the cabin fever so strong lately, and makeup has always been my therapy, so I thought of doing another video, a kind of a chatting get ready with me. But the thing is, I'm not going anywhere, so I don't know why I'm doing my makeup, but I am starting with a bunch of skincare because it is very important. I think you guys already know that I have been using this Innisfree hydration skin range for a while now, and I'll be doing a review very soon, guys. I am kind of impressed with two of their products, and one actually kind of surprised me. Yeah, I will do a separate video on that. I don't want to include it here and make it into a big ass video. So let me start with applying my eye cream. It is the Innisfree green tea seed eye cream. I am next going with their toner. I'm again going with their serum. Again, the same process. I poured like, ooh, there are helicopters going on. I'm going to top this all off with their cream, which is green tea seed cream. This is one of my favorites out of the whole series. This is all for skincare. Let's dive into makeup. For today I have no vision of what I have to do. I'm gonna play with the colors. I'm gonna do some colorful eye makeup, that I know for sure, but I haven't visualized what I want to do. Let's start with primer as usual. This is, I'll just put another screen, I don't think it's focusing. So this is Insight Makeup Essential Primer 3-in-1. It is supposed to prime, protect and moisturize. And guys, I've been using this for more than 2 years now. This is like the first product I ever made a video on, and I don't know, whenever I see this it reminds me of the video I made like in 2018, I guess, and it makes me very excited. The second step is concealing. Okay, let's start. I'm first covering my under eyes. Guys, I should have done another video. I have a nose strip to remove my blackheads, which I've been having for 1 month now. I want to do a video with that because it was the second video that I ever did. It was in my old IG, which I deleted unknowingly. How dumb can I be? So yeah, that's why. Oh, what is happening? There are so many helicopters and airplanes today. I just pat till everything looks blended. I think I just covered my whole face with concealer. So I am using Sephora Glow Perfection Foundation. I've been using this for past 7 months now. For my under eye, I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, shade number 25. For the other parts of my face, I'm gonna use Too Faced. This is Born This Way setting powder. I'm using this in, oh no, it doesn't have a number. I think it comes in translucent, and the other one is this thingy. It gives the color back into my face. I'm gonna do my contouring now with this LA Color Highlight and Contour Palette. This I got from Nykaa last year. This is NARS Overlust Palette. Guys, I just got it like 1 month ago. No, 2 months ago, I think, and I've been using this palette religiously. It's like the best palette for anyone who's into makeup. It has 3 blushes and 3 highlights, which can be used by any skin tone person, and this is my favorite out of all. And again, this is my favorite out of all the highlights. And now to blush. Let's actually do some lipstick. So this is Royal Purple, this is Rose Plum. I'm thinking about going with this one. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think about this color now? I personally love all these quirky colors. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top my lipstick off with these both shimmers so that it will be more of a shimmery lip. For starters, I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette and I'm gonna use Musk as my base color. It is very beautiful lilac color, and this is like the first time I'm actually digging into this palette. I'm so excited. On the center of my lids, I'm gonna apply Amethyst from Desert Dusk palette. This is like the first actual Huda Beauty palette that I ever got. It was a present from one of my favorite people ever. Because I'm going to apply the same Amethyst in my under eye. Maybe I will also do a wing with that. I don't even know where we are gonna go, but it is just exciting to play around with makeup. So I know what my eye look should be, so I'm gonna go in and use Toilette from Desert Dusk palettes. Oh, it just looks so unreal. I don't know how she came up with this color, but it looks so beautiful. And now to the next step, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette and I'm gonna dig in with, you guessed it, New Money. I'm gonna apply it on the center of my eyelids. I'm seeing a lot of lights after a long time today. What is happening? I'm gonna use the same New Money from the palette Chocolate Gold. And guys, I have like talked about this 100 times on my videos. I'm gonna say it again, this palette smells just like chocolate and now I am legit craving for chocolate. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm taking my Huda Beauty Smoky Obsession palette and I'm gonna take this black eyeshadow and draw a mini wing. This is one of the palettes that I wanted to get for the longest time ever, and I bought it last year around, no, I just got it for my birthday last year. It was a present from me, from myself, and I love this palette, guys. Now I'm gonna do eyeliner. I'm gonna do some like nice wing liner, which I usually do. Okay, I like how it is turning out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara. This is from Silky Girl, the same one that I used in the last video. Everything is done. How do you like my makeup look, guys? This video, I'm gonna wrap it right here. I really love how it turned out. I look like Ursula. At least to me, I feel like a sea witch, which I'm okay with that totally. And yeah, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below whatever video that you wanna see me make next, and also let me know whether you like this video or not. And follow me on Instagram and Facebook if you like me. And yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video, hopefully very soon. Thank you for watching till now, and bye, guys.
She's a Mona Lisa.